everybody. Welcome to this AppColl short tutorial providing a brief overview of the Time Manager feature. The Time Manager, available on every page in AppColl, was designed to make it super easy and efficient to create and manage billing items related to your time and how you spend your time during the day. You can start and stop timers, and you can directly add or update billing items related to the things you're working on from any page. So just to be clear, the Time Manager is used for fee-type billing items. It can't be used to create expense billing items or flat fees. For those, you got to go to the billing module. To get to the Time Manager, you can just hover over the clock at the top of every page. This shows a pop-up, a couple buttons on it to let you start a timer or add or update a billing item, and it also shows your active timers, which you can start and stop. If you move out of this pop-up, it disappears. If you don't want to chase the mouse, that's bothersome to you, you can just click on the clock and it'll stick and stay there until you unclick it. The other way to access the Time Manager is from clocks that show up to the left of items in the Tasks module and the Matters module. Now the nice thing about this is if I start a timer, say for this particular task right here, all the data is pre-populated, so to actually start a timer, all I have to do is click the start button. All the data is already pre-populated for me, super quick, super easy. Likewise, from the Matters module, you can do the same thing. If you want to start a timer or add a billing item related to a matter, you can do it from here. And also in the Matter Details page, which is incidentally where people spend a lot of their time when they're in AppColl, you can start a timer, add a billing item, right from the list of tasks at the bottom of the page. Let's talk quickly about some of the common features in the data entry forms for timers and billing items available from the Time Manager. So if I go to the Add or Update Billing Item page, and it's the same for the timer basically, I'm showing a list of fee items at the top. Now those are your fee items, the person that's logged in. And the reason that's there is so that if you're working today on what you worked on yesterday, you can easily copy data down in the data entry forms by clicking on the copy icon here. There you go. So I've copied the data down and I can just add my billing item. I basically copy what I was doing yesterday. So that's convenient. In this list, note there are clocks next to some of these items, and that indicates that these actually billing entries were created as a result of starting timers today. So that's how you know these are active timers. A couple other things in this particular page. The hourly rate down here is dependent upon the client you've selected, and that's in your profile, that's in your contact record. If you change the client, I'm going to switch to Intel here, the rate does change. I actually don't know if it did just there. Let's pick a different client, see if I can get it to change. There we go. And if you want to enter a rate manually that's different from the rate you specified in your profile, you get a little warning yellow triangle, so that's kind of convenient. Other things to talk about, let me copy data down from this particular ABC tech company. You'll notice there are some numbers shown here. These numbers are the total flat fee items that have been accumulated for either a matter or a task. If there was a task here and it had billing items associated with it, you'd see some numbers here as well. If you click on these numbers, it takes you to a list of the items that generated that number. So here I can see all the billing items that contributed to that particular number that I'm showing here. If you have a cap specified for a particular matter or task, it's shown here as well. And if the total of uninvoiced plus invoiced items that have been accumulated exceeds that cap, the number shows up in red. If you're wondering where the cap is specified, you can click on that number actually, and it'll take you to the point in AppColl where it's specified. Here we went to the matter, scroll down the page, and there it is right there. So I can close these windows and then pop back to where I was. So that's some of the basic features in AppColl's Time Manager. We've got a couple other short tutorials about more specifically how to do various things, and check those out to get more information. So hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.